How do you make a copy on your Brother MFC-J1365DW? Well, let me show you how. To make a copy, you need to input a document on the scanner glass over here or in the top automatic document feeder. Let me demonstrate how to input a paper on both of them. So for the scanner glass, you're going to place your paper facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side. And then we're going to align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanner. Okay, both of them needs to be touching. And then close the lid. If you intend to scan multiple pages at the same time, in that case, you have this automatic document feeder. As you see, these tabs are moving, so simply push them to the extremities. I have two documents over here, 2 pages, sorry. I'll align all my pages, could have been 15 as well. Place facing down with the top part towards the left. And you're going to glide in between these two guides, just like that. Make sure to extend this small extender flap, I don't know how you call it, so that the paper doesn't come flying on the desk after it got scanned. Now on the display of the printer, you're going to press any button just to wake up the display. And by default, the main screen is all about the copy machine. So you have the quality. You can leave it to normal, but if you're scanning, for example, a picture and you want the best quality, you can press OK and select best instead. Now you have the paper type. So if it's glossy or plain paper, are you going to make a copy on lettersize? I mean, there's so many options that you can change over here. I won't go through all of them, but you can take a look depending what you're trying to scan. The important bit is at the end, you have these two options. Do you want to scan and make a copy in black and white? Or do you want it to be in color after you have changed the settings? Let's say I want a black and white copy, so I'll press the white button once and I'm going to wait. Now the printer has automatically detected that I have put paper over here and start scanning and making the copies. And here we go, we got our copies. Now if the printer has made the mistake and is scanning whatever is over here instead of taking your documents on the top or the contrary, make sure that when you put your paper over here in the scanner, you push them all the way in so that the printer detects them. But overall, this is it. If this was useful, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment.